Alright guys, while I was recharging and testing and stuff, I found out what was the problem. The problem is not the battery. The problem is the wire that I'm using in here to connect this to make it longer so I don't have to reconnect. It seems to be taking power and not letting it. It's taking too much power, and because of that I'm getting like maybe 2 minutes of flight time, so I cannot use my little wire adapter. I can't, because if I try to use it, it seems to make the flight times really off. So if you haven't seen the battery for the blade, this is the original one here. Let's see if I can get this to focus up. And then this is the one that I have in it now. So I'm gonna go ahead and dress this guy up and we'll do the test flight without my adapter. So let me go ahead and get this ready. Alright guys, got it all connected. Seem to be running out of light from outside, so forgive me for that, but this is just to see if we can get a better flight runtime, or just a better flight period with a 175 mAh battery. So let's go ahead and start this. Alright, let's see. Let me go ahead and lower that. Oh wow, so yeah, you can upgrade the battery. I'm still able to go up very fast if I choose to. It's not slowing me down. See if I can fly it closer to us. So far, I don't really feel any difference in the battery weight. It seems to be maneuvered just as well. But I do notice there is more power in the helicopter. So now when I get the chance, I need to order up a new motor for it, because I know I'm going to burn this motor out soon. Should be an easy fix. So when you see this light flashing, that means it's time to land. Not that one. The green light. So when you see that green light flashing, that means it's time to land the helicopter. Oh yeah, I can definitely recommend this. I don't know why no one doesn't have this video on YouTube. And that charger I bought charges up this battery really good. No problem. So far I can still maneuver just the same. I don't feel any extra added weight on it. I can manhandle it a little bit, but I can't really fly too aggressive here. It's cluttered and I'm gonna end up ramming into something, and I really don't want to wreck my helicopter. This helicopter is just a lot of fun. Like 100% you're gonna have fun with this. Oh, there goes our blinking light there. There goes our blinking light. So it's time to land this little guy. Whoa, that was a close one. That was a close one. I'm just seeing how much extra battery I got here, and I seem to have a lot still. It's not like losing power or anything. I'm able to get out of pretty bad situations still. So if I was in the wind, I'd be able to come back home. Alright, let's go ahead and land this little guy. So I would definitely recommend the battery if you need one. You can get the original, you can get that too, but you definitely can fly with this battery. So I'll put the battery in the description. Thanks a lot, guys.